Restore is an acronym for Rethinking Sustainability Towards a Regenerative Economy, and basically it's an action funded by the European Coast Programme.
The aim of Restore is to move the traditional architectural sector from a normal and sustainable perspective to a regenerative one.
What we are looking for is this multidimensional, multidirectional knowledge transfer, because we are transferring the knowledge from one generation to another that is actually building a new quality.
The event of today is a workshop dedicated to the 17 Sustainable Development Goals.
Social sustainability demands that certain basic human rights must be respected.
The 17 goals established for the United Nations for the Sustainable Development are addressing all the main aspects of life on Earth. So from poverty to social equity to also sustainable cities, sustainable communities. That's why we also need to understand how the built environment that has a great impact, generally speaking, on the earth, on the environment and in a broader sense.
We were divided in different groups. Each group should address one of the goals, and what we did is discussing on sustainable ideas addressing those single topics, having in mind that all topics are somehow interconnected.
We had together to build this puzzle where all our ideas are there located, and not only that, we had not only to draw it in a visual way, but we also had to produce some further goal to those sustainable development.
A well-designed building is a building that uses material where the life cycle of the material is being studied and where the water use for that material is the minimum as possible.
A regenerative community can improve the well-being of the person, of the people, and that in turn will result also in a better education.
So we are trying to move from this concept of well-being, health, and so on and so forth, to the energy efficiency. That is, something that we have to solve from technology point of view, but the most important part is to try to understand the needs of the final users.
It is important and possible today, throughout some of the development that happened within this working group, to include ecosystem factors as a material, as a set of parameters that can be accounted into the design of the building.
I think there will be a lot of opportunities both for let's say industry players dealing with manufacturing of technologies, and as well dealing with services for the construction sector.
It's something that's really needed, because without the contribution from the building industry, from the building sector, the problem of climate change will not be solved.
What I really like from Build Up is that this is a platform where all the important information are collected.
Build Up has been a very useful type of resource for this project. From one side, making us aware of the debate into the European context. On the other side, very useful to disseminate part of our activity.